Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. We are on Microsoft Excel. We're going to take this pivot table and we have some data here, and I'm going to show you how to group this by week. So let's go. Currently, we've got row labels, and underneath here we have our dates, and you can now select any one of these dates, right? Once you do this, you will get some additional options onto your ribbon. This is the pivot table. You're going to click on that, and here you're going to click on group selection. You're going to select that and open this up. Now currently we are viewing days and months. What we want to do is unselect months, and we're going to have just days selected. Now at the top you can create your date range. Okay, so let's say you want to start it on a Monday and have it end on a Sunday, have that 7-day period. You can change the date to whatever it is that you need, right? And at the bottom over here it says number of days. Of course, we are going to set that to 7, and you can really do this with whatever amount of days you want. If your week consists of 5 working days and 2 non-working days or non-operating days, you can change that to 5. But then once you're done, you can tap on OK, and you can see the date range has now been done in week form or in 7-day form. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.